Oh, hello friends! Miss Lunette here. I'm so happy that you're here. I'm actually getting ready to throw my friends a party. It's a way for me to show them how much I love them. You are invited, of course, because you're one of my friends too. Is there someone in your life that you love a whole lot? Oh, wonderful! Well, they are invited too, because at this celebration, we're gonna celebrate love! Did you know there are so many ways to show someone how much you love them? You can show them with physical touch, like a high five, or a hug. Some people use their words to show how much they love someone by saying, I love you. Some people like to give gifts to show how much they love them. Or they like to spend time with people. I personally love to do things for people to show how much I love them, like cooking for them or throwing them a party. What are some ways that you like to show love for other people? Oh, I love that too. Ooh, maybe you can help me throw this party. I still need to do some preparation. First, I need to finish making the snacks. Come on, let's go into my kitchen and you can help me. Today, I'm making some special treats for my friends. I made these special Valentine's Day fruit skewers. Doesn't it look delicious? I have some apples and some watermelons that I cut to look like hearts, and some grapes. I love a good snack like this. If you look at this special treat, it has a pattern. Let's see if we can spot the pattern together. We have grape, watermelon, apple. Grape, watermelon, apple. Ooh, delish. Oh, maybe you can help me make this same pattern on this next skewer. Let's see if we can make another skewer like this. First, we need a stick. Be careful, it's pretty sharp on the end. Now, what's the first one on this pattern? Grape, right! Which of these is grapes? There's the grapes, perfect! We're just gonna stick it right on top here. Good job! Now if you're following along at home, make sure you ask a grown-up for help. Now we have the grape. What's the next fruit on this pattern? A watermelon heart, right! Which one is the watermelon hearts? Yes, there it is! Be very careful with the sharp end. Ooh, it's looking great already. Now we have a grape, a watermelon. What's next? An apple, right! Ooh, this apple kind of looks like a triangle. Nice! Ooh, I want to eat it already. Next in the pattern is a grape. It goes grape, watermelon, apple. Grape, watermelon, apple. Hooray! Let's see if the patterns match. They do! We have grape, watermelon, apple. Grape, watermelon, apple. Ooh, I like the shapes that we have on here too. It goes oval, heart, triangle. Oval, heart, triangle. Delicious. Now I want to make a new pattern because one of my friends does not like apples. So we're going to do grape, grape, watermelon. grape, grape, watermelon. That sounds like a fun pattern. Let's make it together. Grape, grape, watermelon. What comes next in our pattern? Grape. Then what? Grape. And then watermelon. That looks perfect. We made a new pattern. Grape, grape, watermelon. Grape, grape, watermelon. Or we can even make it like the shape. Oval, oval, heart. Oval, oval, heart. Delicious. I can't wait to eat these with my friends. Thank you so much for helping me with that. Those look delicious. I'm sure everyone's going to love them. Now, I need your help again. I need to finish making some cards for everyone. I only have a few left. This card is for my friend Nova. Nova really loves blue stars. Can you help me figure out which stickers are blue stars? There they are! Those are blue stars! Great job! Ooh, that's looking great. How many blue stars did we put on this card? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 blue stars. Great job! Oops, I just realized I forgot to put a letter in her name. Nova's name is spelled with a N. N for Nova. Which of these letters is the letter N? Yes, that is the letter N. Perfect. Oh, much better. Now it spells Nova. This next card is for my friend Astrid. Astrid loves yellow flowers. Which of these stickers are yellow flowers? Yes, those are yellow flowers. Great job. That's looking amazing. Let's count how many yellow flowers we have on this card. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 yellow flowers. Amazing. Oh, I forgot to put a letter in this one too for Astrid's name. Silly me. Astrid starts with the letter A. A. Right. Which of these letters is the letter A? Oh, there it is. The letter A. A. Right. Perfect. Now the card has the letter A. A for Astrid. Amazing. Thank you so much for helping me make those cards. I couldn't have done it without you. Ooh, maybe you can make a special card for someone at home. You just have to think of some of their favorite things, and you can put it on the card for them. That way you can show them how much you love them. Oh, it's almost time for the party, but I need to count to make sure I have enough plates for everyone. I have 7 people coming to this party today. Can you help me count to 7? Great! Let's count some plates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7! We have 7 plates. Great! I think we are all set for the party now. Oh, but there is one last thing. Another way I like to show my love is I like to sing songs for people. Maybe I can practice with you before everyone comes to make sure I don't feel so nervous. I hope that's okay. Sometimes it helps to practice so that way you feel ready and comfortable. Let's practice together. Skinamarink, dinky dink, Skinamarink doo. I love you. Skinamarink, dinky dink, Skinamarink doo. I love you. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening underneath the moon. Skinamarink, dinky dink, Skinamarink doo. I love you. I love you. I love you. You do do do. Thank you so much for helping me today, friends. I really loved all of your help. Do you think you're going to show your love for someone else today? Ooh, how do you think you're going to do that? Oh, I can't wait to see it. I hope we play together again soon, friend. Bye. See you later, alligator, in a wild crocodile. Toodaloo, kangaroo, I had so much fun with you. Love you lots, tater tots. See you soon, raccoon. I had so much fun today. I hope to see you soon. Bye, friend. See you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Bye!